My name is Christelle, and I have just officially became an online self-made millionaire in 5 months, 24 days. I do not have words. I am so incredibly grateful for this opportunity that has come into my life. 5 months, 24 days ago, I said yes to digital marketing. But prior to that, I had lost both my jobs. I'm a single mommy. I have a 19-year-old son and a 3-year-old little girl. And at the end of August last year, I lost both my jobs. For a period of 2 months, I couldn't even afford my own groceries. My mom bought it for me. When I discovered digital marketing, I couldn't afford my package. My mom purchased it for me. But did I believe in this? Absolutely. Why? Because I prayed about this. I discovered digital marketing and I prayed about a solution. God gave me 4 answers that this is my solution, that this is where I should be. And when I jumped in 1,000,000%. My first month I didn't make an income because I didn't implement my training correctly. But once I did, I had gone from being a broke 46-year-old, depressed, overworked, overstressed, broke mommy to being an online self-made millionaire. If I can do this, you can do this. I've got a proven program where I get paid daily in dollars. I purchased my program once. I've resold it like 300 times. I've made my money back 70 plus times. Does this work? Yes, because Desiree is a millionaire, because Cecilia is a millionaire. Now I'm a millionaire following the same program. So if I can do this, you can do this. And if they can do this, you can do this. It works. If you want to find out what we are doing and how this can radically change your life, drop a yes in the comments. It would be my absolute biggest pleasure to share this opportunity with you. Have a beautiful and blessed day, and thank you for your support.